Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find whether 1 4 upon 7 is the multiplicative inverse of 7 upon 11. But before we proceed, we must know what is multiplicative inverse of a number. So for that, let us take a rational number. So let us consider a rational number a upon b, and let p be the multiplicative inverse. Now we know that when a number and its multiplicative inverse are multiplied, then we always get 1. So a upon b multiplied by p will be equals 1. Multiply b by a to both sides of the equality, so p will be equals b upon a. So where p is the multiplicative inverse of a upon b. So if we carefully observe, then we might say that the multiplicative inverse of a upon b is b upon a, such that the numerator of the original number is the denominator of the multiplicative inverse, and the denominator of the original number is the numerator of the multiplicative inverse. Therefore, multiplicative inverse of 7 upon 11 is 11 upon 7, and also 1 4 upon 7 can be written as 11 upon 7. Therefore, yes will be the required answer. Thank you and have a great day.